Right, we're going to change some bulbs, upgrade into LED on this Fiesta. Just popped the headlight out, one screw there, pull this one and it just pulled out. So we can get to the dip beam here. Out he comes. H7 to go in, and they'll go in like that, and you should push and twist back in. Then the high beam, which is accessible only from underneath it seems, we will do the side light, which is that one there. And high beam, which is right up there. Not the easiest to get, doesn't really matter. Out he comes, there he is. New H1 bulb. Not the easiest to get in. On one side, one down, one not, and that's the pattern on the wall. You can see how much brighter that was on the left. Now we'll do the other side. Okay, both done. Give that a whirl in the tonight.